Hey garden people, today we're going to show you how we plant garlic in our backyard.
Look, what is it?
We ordered garlic bulbs from Renee's Garden Seed Company, a trusted source for us.
Look. Oh my gosh, Italian early and Italian late.
You can of course buy garlic from your farmer's market or grocery store, but if you buy from a seed company, you can guarantee the variety you're planting and that it grows well in your climate. We opted for soft neck garlic with an early maturing variety and a late maturing variety to extend our harvest. To prepare garlic for planting, we're going to carefully separate each garlic bulb into individual cloves. Each clove will grow into an entirely new garlic bulb. It's pretty amazing. Right now, it's mid-October, so from now until mid-November is the ideal time to plant garlic in a mild winter climate like ours in California. Fall-planted garlic gets a chance to establish their root system underground before the coldest winter weather. Then, when the ground warms up in the spring, the garlic can grow vigorously so they're ready to harvest come summer. We'll grab our early Italian garlic cloves to plant first. Garlic likes to be in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day with well-draining soil. Make sure to remove all the weeds in the planting area and break up the soil with your hands and a good helping of compost. Plant each clove about 1.5 inches into the soil with the tip pointing up. Give each clove around 6 inches of space to grow, and if you're making rows, space each row about 18 inches apart. This will allow the cloves to create big, juicy bulbs. Now, onto the late Italian garlic. Even though we still have plants growing here that block the sun, we are close to pulling these out for the season, so the garlic will have full sun all winter long. While your garlic grows from fall to winter and into the spring, make sure to keep the patch well weeded. And in the active growing season in the spring, you can even feed your garlic a well-balanced fertilizer to boost further growth. After planting, water your rows thoroughly to set the plants in. Only water again when you see that the soil is dry. Remember, good drainage is very important for good garlic growth. This equates to about 1 inch of water per week if you aren't getting rain in the winter. It's a long growing season, but it'll be so worth it at the peak of summer to harvest fresh, homegrown garlic that grew from just a single clove. Happy planting, and thanks for watching.